How to turn off online status on Viber. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily turn off your online status on Viber. So if you want to hide your online status, what you can simply do is simply head over to your Viber application and make sure you are logged into your account, and from over here just click on this more button at the bottom right corner as usual, and scroll through the options until you find the settings. So simply click on settings. Once you're inside here, just click on privacy, and from over here what you can see is you will see the option called share online status. And just remember, once you enable it, you will be sharing your online status. So since you want to turn it off, simply click on this and make sure it's disabled, just like shown on my screen. So, and just remember that you can change these settings only once in every 24 hours. So if I try to turn this settings back on, this will give me a warning by saying that you can only be changed once every 24 hours. So, and the other thing is, once you disable this feature, you can't actually see when was your friends were online as well. So keep that in mind. So to turn it back on, you can simply go over to the same options and simply toggle it back on, just like that. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.